We're a little further along in the lunar eclipse. About half the moon is now covered by the umbra, the darker part of the Earth's shadow on the moon. Because we have high cirrus clouds, we don't necessarily see much detail in the shadowed areas. I'm expecting by now that there might be some hints of brown if it was perfectly clear. I am starting to see stars though. I can see the entirety of Orion off to the lower left of the moon, and that's a good sign that the clouds are thinning here. You'll notice again, as in the last broadcast, the moon is slowly drifting across the field of view. That's because my telescope isn't tracking, and of course the Earth is spinning. And so what we're seeing here is the rotation of the Earth magnified by the same factor that we've magnified the moon. I'm going to reposition the view here manually, and we'll let it drift across again. It's a beautiful night. It's quite still here. I've got no breeze at ground level. It looks like the clouds have been dissipating and partially being blown eastwards from my location here. I am in northern Vulcan County, between Moss Lee and Carsland. I'm using an iPhone 11 Pro mounted to the eyepiece of an 8-inch diameter or 20 centimeter diameter Newtonian telescope. And we're just enjoying the lunar eclipse here on a very early Friday morning. The umbra, the dark part of the shadow, will not cover the entirety of the moon, so this will be a partial